Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to create your free Canvas account. I am already on the Canvas website, canvas.instructure.com, and we're going to go to register from website. When you're here, we want to click on sign up now, it's free, I'm a teacher, and it'll take us to this website. Okay. From here we want to click on get a free Canvas account, and you're going to need to fill in the appropriate information. I'm going to do this. School. You want to use your school email that you're going to be attaching the website to. You can use your school phone number, organization type. We're a K-12 school. I am a teacher. Apply Canvas. I want to teach my course. And then your country. Okay. From here, click that and then click Next. Okay. I'm not going to click Next because I already have a free Canvas account, and then you'll need to continue through the other steps involved in there. It will also send you an email to confirm. Once you do that, you will get a login. Okay? Thanks so much. I hope this helps.